我们华盛轮胎从咱广饶轮胎展的第1届我们就来参加了，已经参加了16届呢。这16年变化是非常大的。那个时候我们是生产全钢轮胎，现在我们全钢、半钢加赛车胎加斜胶胎我们都生产。我们推出了记忆橡胶轮胎，是今年3月份刚刚上市的。这款轮胎是我们自主研发的，目前代表了国产轮胎当中最先进的技术。我们国外的客户他会通过广饶这个展会每年过来跟我们见面，通过我们新产品的展示，通过我们讲解的各种的技术的提升，让他对我们企业有一个更高维度的认知，促进向后的继续合作的深度。
My name is Shoma Brown and I am part of the Olotando International Group based in South Africa. We represent youth development and trade across South Africa. My primary purpose of leading our business delegation here today is to find reliable manufacturers for the demand in South Africa in the tire market, as well as other auto accessories. I think Guang's tire industry has the competitive advantage of technology. They're highly innovative and advanced in the tire markets and auto industry. My future expectations are to build partnerships with South African manufacturers, as well as hopefully in the future having warehouses based in South Africa that cater to the supply and demand of the tire markets.